Hello and welcome to CEC Less Than a Minute video. In this video, you'll understand the difference between the adjectives that end in ing and the adjectives that end in ed. So the adjectives that end in ing are the cause of the adjectives that end in ed, which means that the adjectives that end in ed are the result of the adjectives that end in ing. Let me give you an example here for the adjectives that end in ing. We say interesting. Let's put it in a sentence. The book that I am reading is interesting. Good. So if we move to ed, we say I am interested in the book that I'm reading. Does it ring a bell? Yes. So the cause of me being interested is because the book that I'm reading is interesting. Well, hope you got that. Thank you for watching.